The all-electric Audi activesphere concept is the perfect way to explore the world while staying in style. This four-ring crossover coupé made its world premiere on January 26, 2023, as part of an online event. With its power, performance, and flexibility, the Audi activesphere concept is designed for active lifestyles both on-road and off-road, allowing you to take on a variety of activities with ease. This fourth and final model in the family of Audi electric concept vehicles is equipped with a fully electric drivetrain and all the features you need for autonomous driving. The activesphere concept offers a sleek and stylish exterior, while its interior provides plenty of space and comfort. It also offers a wide range of features to keep you connected, entertained, and productive, from 4G LTE Wi-Fi connectivity to a variety of media streaming services. The Audi activesphere concept is the perfect vehicle for your next adventure, no matter where that may take you. With its powerful, efficient electric drivetrain and the latest technology, this concept car will get you to your destination in comfort and style. Get ready for the road of the future with the Audi activesphere concept.